If you are looking to sneak out into your competitor's strategy in advertising on Meta or Google, here's the easy steps to check that. So for Facebook, you just need to search Facebook ad library. So here you are into Facebook ad library. So suppose if you are having an e-commerce business, the shoe business, and you are looking to search what's happening in your country about the shoe competition, you can just simply type on the location, your country. It could be any if you are having global business or any country that you want. So I'm picking Armenia for example, and I'm clicking add category as all, searching for shoe as keyword. Even you can type your competitor name as well here for searching it. So I'm searching for shoes. So whomever running ads on Meta for shoe category, it will be displayed here. You can see these are the companies that are spending money on shoe ads. You can see in the detail as well, like is the basics details that they display with ad about European Transparency Center, ad disclaimer about the advertiser, about the beneficiary of it. So are the multiple things that you can check for the ad.